my channel. Sorry about my shirt, it's a little bit stretched out. You know, you're trying to be cute and your shirt is stretched out. Anyway guys, so we're going to be reviewing this hair, and this is not my regular curly hair. This is long and curly. Long and curly. Ooh, I love it. Long and curly. Long and curly. Okay, Jody, you're too extra. Okay, so this is long and curly. So yes guys, so this is a hair that I bought from Aliexpress. So, you know, after dealing with my very curly hair, after getting like 2 different curly hairs from a seller from Amazon and also 2 sellers from Amazon, yeah, after trying out their hair, I just fell in love. The Nadula hair guys, they're trying out that hair, I fell in love with curly hair. So for me, I wanted a hair that was long, yes, and I also wanted something that I could style at the front, so I went for a frontal. Yeah, and this year guys, I'm feeling myself. Okay, Jody, stop going, so Jody, stop going too extra. Anyway guys, let me begin. So this hair is from Beau hair from Aliexpress. This is their Brazilian Kinky curly. I'm looking at this hair, to be honest, it's kinky curly, but it just looks like regular Brazilian curly to me, but I don't mind. I don't have a problem. I don't care. I love curly hair, so whether it's kinky curly or Brazilian curly, it doesn't matter. Anyway, so this is from Beau hair. This is a seller from Aliexpress, Beau hair. It is a pre-colored kinky curly hair with 3 bundles and a 13x4 frontal. When you're ordering the hair, it might say closure, but I asked the company or the seller and they told me that it is not really a closure per se, it is really a frontal, but they consider it a closure even though it is actually frontal. I don't know, I don't want to get into the specs of the hair and all that. I just want to know that I was getting a frontal because it says frontal on the when it was being advertised. So this is natural hair weave, natural color, 3 bundles. The hair came pre-plucked, the frontal came pre-plucked, so that was good. Yeah, when I saw the hair guys, I knew I was gonna love this hair because I've been loving curly hairs. As of lately. I don't know if you've noticed, most of my videos curly hair. Yeah, I don't want to like get stuck into this, you know, rut. I don't want to be like, oh, because when I love something, I just love something. That's my personality. I have like a compulsive behavior. Yeah, so the hair guys, very nice. Yes, the frontal, nice. I love the frontal. I love how it, you know, how it behaves when you add moisture to it. And I'm telling you guys, curly hair loves moisture. So in order to take care of your hair and to get the best result from, you know, curly hair, you have to moisturize it. If you don't want it to be matted, you have to moisturize it. And you don't have to spend a lot of money to buy expensive moisturizers. You can use your good old conditioner, and you can leave the conditioner in the hair. Just put some water in a spray bottle or something, spray the hair, condition it, leave it to dry overnight, and you'll end up with wonderful results. This is not wet. The hair is not wet. The hair is literally dry. So I'm telling you, you can achieve the results if these kind of results, defined curls if you want. You don't have to wear the hair wet and all of that. Know what I'm saying? Yeah. But anyway, let me get into the hair. So the frontal, I didn't bleach it because I don't do that. One, I don't do it because it's just too much and I can't be bothered. Yeah. And the second reason is I'm in Japan. It's not at my disposal. I can't go to the store, oh, I need bleach. They don't even speak my language, and I don't know, maybe they're gonna tell me something that can't even bleach the frontal. You know what I'm saying? So I don't care about that. And the hair, if you can look, doesn't really need it. It doesn't really need it. And how I'm going to, because how I pre-plucked it and I cut the baby hairs, they're not even going to need got to be glue. I'm not ready to show you. I think I'm gonna make a specific video for that, because this is like a glueless wig. Like, you don't have to put glue, because I don't have any time to wear glue, be wearing glue, you know, on my hair and my edges and all that, and then to wash it out. And no, I don't really have time for that. So this hair is just nice. Anyway, let's get back into the hair. So as I said before, I didn't bleach the frontal and anything like that. I just used my foundation to just stick the lace, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so let's get in now to the bundles. When I got the hair, the only problem that I really had when I was looking at the hair, I was like, why does the frontal, the curl pattern of the frontal and the bundles look so different? That was the problem that I was having. So I was looking at it when I just got it. I was super excited about the hair and all of that and the length and all of that, but I was like, why does the frontal look so tight? The curls are so tight and the bundles, they're so loose. Anyway, so while I installed the hair and while I was combing out the hair, like combing out the curls, you know, detangling and all of that, I was looking at the bundles and the frontal. I'm like, but they're like two different textures. So immediately I messaged the seller, because I'm like, I showed them a picture of what I came across, and I'm like, I'm not sure, maybe the bundles and the frontals are looking different. So the seller said to me she's going to, because it was a female, she said she's going to take that information to the warehouse or whatever. So then she told me that her response was, maybe the hair, the bundles and the frontal, maybe they were made at two different times. So, you know, yeah, I don't know, maybe two different batch or whatever. I'm not sure how it works. You know, I'm not there. I'm in Japan, not China. Anyway, so I was like telling her and whatever. She's like trying to assist me, and she's like, we're gonna help you, whatever. So she's like, what do you want? Do you want another frontal? And something to that sort. And I was so busy because before my camera got cut off. So yes, so I told her about the problem, and she's like, can you try to see how best you can blend the hair and just try to see what I could do, you know, with the hair, and not, you know, be so quick to, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, so I was like, okay, I'm just gonna try, because I'm that type of person. I'm not like, okay, this I don't like, because I know how to like finesse the hair and all that. I know how to, you know, do my thing, you know. Yeah, I know how to try to get a situation to work, or, you know, try to fix a situation, because I don't want to be like, oh, I don't want this, and to be angry over nothing, when it actually is like a simple little problem and you could just sort it out. Anyway, so I decided that I was going to co-wash the hair, and I combed it out and I did everything with the hair, and I, you know, did what I could do with the hair. I took conditioner, sprayed the hair, and when I sprayed the hair and everything, I realized that maybe they're not so different after all. So I co-washed the hair and put the moisturizing, you know, conditioner in it, and when I was finished with the hair, you know, I was like, okay, let me just leave it to dry, and leave the hair to dry with the conditioner in it. So I left it for like overnight. So after I plastered it with moisturizer and conditioner, I left it overnight, and then I went in again just to moisturize the top and the ends, and I left it again to just, you know, soak up the moisture and so forth. So when I looked at the hair, it didn't look so, you know, I mean, if you look at the hair closely, I'm going to show you, if you look at the hair closely, like right here, this is the frontal and this is the bundle. If you look closely, you will realize that the frontal, the curl pattern on the frontal is a little bit tighter than the bundles. right? The hair is not wet now, the hair is totally dry. The hair is totally dry. So you are actually seeing the real curl patterns from the hair. So this right here is the frontal, and right here, if you look closely, you will realize that this is the bundle. The curl pattern on the bundle is a little bit looser in its natural state, and the curl pattern of the frontal is a little bit tighter. Now when I'm looking at it, I am like, you really can't see the difference, but I know that there's a difference because I am dealing with the hair, you know what I'm saying? I can see that there's a difference, but it's not really a big problem for me per se. So guys, so yeah, so if you look at the hair, it's like, yeah, two different textures per se. But yeah, but the hair is nice apart from that little issue, which I spoke to the person and she's like, maybe it's because of that particular issue or whatever. But the hair for now looks nice. I don't have a problem with it. That's just the only problem, and she kind of explained the reason why. So I'm still in contact with them, you know. I'm gonna play with the hair some more. If I realize that the texture is like way off, then I'm gonna contact her again and tell her that, you know, maybe, you know, to just get the situation rectified and all of that. But to be honest, looking at the hair from now, like the hair is very nice. The hair is very nice. I really, in terms of like the hair itself, bundles at the front, no problem, no problem. I definitely would recommend this hair, and hopefully, like if they sell another person the hair, they'll use my my feedback to just, you know, ensure that they don't send out a hair with you know, little bit lighter, looser texture, whatever. I don't know. Yeah, but overall the hair, I would give the hair, apart from that own little problem, just the curl patterns being a little bit, you know, looser on the bundles than the frontal. You know, not really a big issue if you look at it. If you're looking, you know, what do you think? Is it like far or whatever? But yeah, this is the hair from my perspective. This is what I feel. But the hair, guys, is very nice. I really like it, and I love how it feels light. It doesn't feel heavy. It's very long, as you can see. This is the length. Yeah, it's 23 bundles, 22 inches, and an 18-inch frontal. So this is the 22 inches, and guys, I'm 5 feet 8 inches, so yeah, I'm pretty tall. And this is the hair. Yeah, it's like right here, as you can see. But this is the hair from the back, and this is the hair dry. Very nice. Let me show you the other side. So it's very nice, guys. I love it, and it's very light. It's not heavy. You know what I'm saying? Very light. And yeah. So guys, the hair didn't come with it didn't come with a strong smell, just the regular factory Aliexpress hair smell. As I said before, very nice. 140 something US dollars. When I bought it, it was in yen, wasn't in US. So yeah. But the hair, guys, is very nice, very nice. I love it. I love it, to be honest. Yeah, I love it. Very nice and full. Oh gosh, guys, sorry about my, you know, my shirt is a little bit stretched out, like. But this is the hair, guys. Can you see? Yeah, I love it. I love it. And I didn't glue it down or anything like that, as you can see. Yeah, this is it. Nice and full. This is my initial review, guys. You're gonna be seeing this hair a lot on my channel, to be honest, because you know, if you've been watching my channel, you know I love curly hair. So you're gonna be seeing a lot of this hair on my channel, so do expect to see a lot. So I will have a lot to say about it, like, yeah. But my Nadula hair, guys, it was good, nice, no problem up to this moment. This hair, I am expecting the same results. So yeah, guys, this is my review. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Whatever I do, guys, I'm doing it for whoever views my videos. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing it for you, because yeah, I love curly hairs and they just get me jiggy. Ooh, I really love it. Who wouldn't love this? Like, who wouldn't love this? This is just so beautiful. Okay, I'm just exploring with hair. And sorry if my shirt is a little bit, you know, it's lost it.